In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the exterior door handle on a Fiat 500. This is a very common issue, but the good news is that anyone can do it with just a few basic tools. To get started, you'll need to remove the interior door panel on the side you're working on. First, pry off the plastic cover behind the door handle. Underneath, you'll find two screws that need to be removed. Use a thin flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim tool to prevent scratching the surfaces. Next, remove the round chrome trim piece. Use a 5mm Allen key to remove the screws. Next, start popping off the door panel using a prying tool. If it's never been removed before, don't expect it to come off easily. Just be careful with those clips. Once you've created a bit of a gap with the tool, you can use your hands to pull the panel away. Once the panel is free, go ahead and unhook the interior door handle cable. Also, disconnect the wiring harness from the mirror control switch. Carefully peel back the foam shield. If needed, use a utility knife to cut through the adhesive so you can easily stick it back in place when you're finished. Next, you'll need to remove the window guide rail. Use a 10mm socket to get it out of the way. Now that the rail is out of the way, you have clear access to the interior mounting point of the door handle. Remove the nut using a 10mm. This part is a bit tricky. You'll need to disconnect the connecting rods that link the handle to the door latch mechanism. Sometimes they pop off easily just by applying hand pressure. If they don't, use a small screwdriver or another tool to pry and release the rod. Now, with both rods disconnected, Go ahead and remove the screw at the end of the handle. You'll need a T30 Torx bit for this. Keep the handle pulled out as if you were opening the door, and slide it toward you. Then, find the right angle to wiggle it out of the door frame. This is the replacement part you need to fix the handle. You don't have to buy the entire handle assembly. It's basically just a hinge that breaks. Even though it comes with a new screw, I prefer using the original one. It has the exact same thread pitch, so I won't risk stripping the plastic with a new screw that might be slightly different. If you're enjoying the fix so far, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips like this one. Take advantage of having the handle off and give the surface a good clean. It's much easier to reach those spots now. Now let's reinstall the handle. Take a close look at how it fits back into place and try to replicate the same movement. Once it's in the right position, it should slide in easily. Don't force it. Just be patient and find the sweet spot. Now simply reinstall everything in reverse order. Install the rear rod first. It's much easier to get everything aligned that way. While you're still in here, test it out to make sure everything is working normally. It's way easier to fix an issue now than to take everything apart again after you've finished the assembly. Usually, that foam seal will stick right back on if you were careful when removing it earlier. Go ahead and reinstall the door panel, but don't forget to reconnect the interior handle cable and the electrical connector. Carefully align the clips, and once you're sure they're all lined up, you can just pop the panel back into position with a firm tap. Now put back the screws and the trim pieces that cover them. That's about it. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and be sure to check out my other content if you're a DIY enthusiast who loves Italian cars. Thanks for watching.